Dear viewers, it is very important for every one of us to judge oneself. You know that self-estimation is the best estimation. If you estimate your own identities, own features, and own characteristics, you can be the more successful person and must grow with transparent attitude and outlook. And for enhancing that understanding ability, I am sharing my views with you all, what I have understood as the features of a stupid person. Being stupid is not at all healthy, not at all vulnerable. That's why it is a very important part of our development that you must avoid being stupid. Then how will you realize and understand who are such stupids? Now let us follow the characteristics of these stupids number in a categorical manner. Then categorically we can determine the features of stupid in the following ways. Number one, a stupid is very haughty. He reacts the situation with a very bad temperament. He does not respond. Whenever he listens anything, he, without considering the real situation, without judging the situation, such a stupid always reacts negatively and in a very haughty manner. Second feature of stupidity is that a stupid person always thinks that he is the most knowledgeable one. He has that ability to overcome the situation with his own, and he is basically very proud. And because of his pride, he does not open up his mind and does not expand his idea. Then such a person is also called as a stupid one. And because of his that certain false pride, he does not cooperate with people, he does not understand the features of others, and he does not accept anything from anyone else. And he remains stupid throughout his lifetime. Because of his pride, it does not allow him to just go with the social certain situation in which he or she grows. And one has to adjust with the surroundings without getting that certain atmosphere and without growing that certain environment for him in that certain surrounding where he lives. If he remains isolated, secluded, he remains stupid. Third important feature of a stupid is that he is ill-tempered. His temperament is not grown properly. He remains quite immature, and his activities and his words are not just the product of any good consuming of mind. Such people are basically very mindless, and because of that mindlessness, they generally behave in that mindless manner, and they never reveals anything that is acceptable for the people, and such a stupid person remains completely detached from the mainstream of the society. Next important thing that to be noted about a stupid, that a stupid feels that he has the absolute authority to deal with any situation, whatever he comes across. He believes that he has that certain inherent feature with which he can just assert his identity, while most of his decisions and his activities are not up to the mark as a sensible and as a genius human being. And such a stupid, because of that, remains quite ignorant of many things, and he cannot judge any situation properly. And he continues his living with a mistaken identity. He feels that he is a very gentle, he is very powerful, he is very knowledgeable, but these are only his or her false belief. And such a person who grows with false belief cannot prove his identity as a sensible person. A stupid person is insensible. He does not show his senses, and he generally behaves in a very selfish manner. His words are basically very rustic, and he generally talks with people whosoever are subordinate to him in such a way that he has that prerogative authority to dominate everyone. So such a person is a stupid one, because none in the world is having that much ability to uh, surpass or supersede any other human being with that certain authority. And if any person feels that he has that authority to deal every situation with his own choice, and everyone has to undergo his command, so that is a very clear indication that he is a stupid one. And next aspect of stupid, that stupid does not have any commensuration between his words and action. His words are not the proof of any sign of good judgment. And because of that, whenever any critical situation occurs, a stupid fails to take the proper judgment of his situation, and he generally face a kind of complete failure. And this failure makes him more mentally upset and imbalanced, and because of that he begins to behave more a stupid manner. Next feature of a stupid, that a stupid does not listen to anyone. He listens less and speaks more. And whenever any person listens less and speaks more, it is a clear indication that he is a stupid one. Because unless and until you listen from anyone else, and if you have that knack only to speak more, then people will not heed to your words. That's why the stupid, those who are showing this feature of having more commanding knowledge about anything, he is a completely stupid one. Then beside that, stupid generally does not succeed in taking good education. Because of that certain false pride, he does not use his full-fledged time in growing his own personal qualities and improving his personal traits. And because of that, he, if he is born genius also, he loses much of the genius, and because of his brooding for nothing, and because of his that type of false consuming of his mind power, he remains stupid. Then more important aspect of a stupid, that he is not very sociable. A stupid is not sociable. He does not talk and does not interact with people in a genial manner. He remains completely secluded, and he remains completely aloof from others, believing that by mixing with others, by interacting with others, he will lose much of his time. While it is important that in order to show your identity more deep-rooted, and if you in order to heighten your position before the society and before the neighboring people, one has to be very gentle. But a stupid is very rustic by nature, and he is not gentle from the inner part of his soul. And because of that, he pretends to be gentle, but he is not truly gentle. And because of that, he remains stupid throughout his life and dies also as stupid. Next and most contemptuous feature of stupid is that he is basically very uncontrollably angry, and he shows his anger for nothing. Where there is no reason for showing that much anger before anyone, still he shows his anger, and with the help of his anger, he tries to suppress the people, those who are remaining just attached with him or her. Then a stupid believe that he is having absolute ability with that certain anger, and everyone has to bow down before him because of that superiority. Then his false superiority is a kind of characteristic feature of a stupid. That's why one has to be very careful about this, that your behavior, your actions, your reaction, everything must be balanced. And you should grow your equanimity in interacting with people with a gentle face and with a smiling face. And you should behave in such a way so that everyone should understand that you are born with some qualities which are to be imitated. Then a person with genius quality is an imitable person, but a stupid is not such that. He gets completely secluded, and he just passes his time in a miserable way by being friendless, by being that aloof from the others, and by just getting deprived of having love and affection of the people with whom he or she is closely attached. And in this way, if you judge your situation, if you try to find out that you may also carry some of the feature of these or one of the feature of such thing, then you should try to shun away all these evils from your character, and be more sensible and be more gentle in proving your identity as a successful human being. And if you are having these negative features, give up them all, and just start improving your situation so that you can be acceptable before the society, and you can just live successfully, and you can die successfully by leaving behind your good name. And don't be stupid, and don't try to be stupid, and be a truly a successful person. I expect that my good followers, those who are having that mind, and you will go through this, and you will adhere my ideas. If you believe that ideas are acceptable, then practice in your life and lead a nice life. Have a nice time. Thank you all. One thing more, that if you find that it is understandable and others should follow this, then you should share the things with other friends and your associates, so that my ideas can reach up to them, and they also can be benefited out of this. Have a nice time, have a smiling face, and enjoy your life, whatever you have got. Life is short, and you cannot take it as a waste. And do not waste your most valuable life by behaving in that certain awkward manner as to prove yourself as a stupid one. Thank you. Have a nice time. I wish you all the best. Try to correct. Yes, I have tried my best to correct myself. Whatever the mistakes were there, I tried to shun them away from my features. And that's how I understood it. I have not given this idea out of any fantasy. Rather, I too committed many mistakes and wrongs, and now I have got them reformed. You can. You too can reform yourself and be the successful person. Thank you. Have a nice time.